So how to operate this machine? Let's turn on the power switch first, and while waiting, then switch on the ear. Okay, connect the ear tube and switch on the ear, and the parameter. So the air force, if it's 0.6, in between 0.6 to 0.8, it will be fine. Okay, so currently just 0.4. Okay, so we could increase this one. Okay, just pull it up. Okay, this is pushed down and pull it up, and then rotate. Okay, by rotate here, this one is increase, this one is minus, so this one is decrease. Okay, decrease, and this one is increase. Okay, so you can check 0.6 to 0.8 is fine. Okay, so for this machine need to bigger than 0.6. Okay, let's go back. Okay, check the PLC. We go to the menu, we can see there is a filling cleaning. So this is for clean the hopper. Okay, this one is for clean the hopper. Let's see, I want to clean this hopper. We put some water inside first, and wash the hopper. And I want to release the water. I want to release the water in the hopper. So I use this pipe to plug on the filling nozzle. Okay, just plug on the filling nozzle. And another side I could put there in the bucket. Okay, in the bucket. Okay, and also if you want the recycling, you can put back to the hopper. Okay, you can put back to the hopper. So I will just put here first, and to check the wash function. So press the filling cleaning and hold it. So it will do the continuous filling. Okay, it will do the continuous filling. So to release the water in the hopper. Okay, the suction function is started. Okay, so if I want to stop, just press the cleaning stop. Okay, so the automatically suction function is start because we set the parameter for auto suck up. Okay, so this one. So if less than 60, it will auto load. It will auto feed the materials. Okay, so this is how we set it. If lower than the 60, it will auto start to feed the materials. Okay, currently it's 95%. Okay, currently the water is 95%. Okay, so this water level is tested by the ultrasonic. It's by the ultrasonic. Okay. Okay, when you clean the hopper, you can use the cotton cloth with some alcohol to clean the hoppers. But when you do the cleaning, make sure there's no hard matters in the hopper. Okay, because if hard matter get inside, it might destroy the pump. Okay, so be careful. Don't put any harder materials or matter in the hopper when you do the cleaning. Okay, during the cleaning, if you want if you want filling faster, if you want the water to be released from hopper faster, you can adjust the speed. Okay, you can adjust speed. This one is for how many run for the motor. Okay, currently for water filling is 130. So if I want faster, I can set it to 500. Okay, so this one was, if I set 500, the water fill out speed will be much faster. Okay, when you do the cleaning, you can set to 500. Okay, then after you set this one, you go back to menu and press the fill cleaning and hold for 3 seconds. Okay, it will do the continuous filling. Okay, after we clean the hopper. Okay, after we clean the hopper, you put some of your materials in the hopper. So you can put some materials in the hopper. Currently is 29% in the hopper. Okay, then we set the low liquid level since it's only 29%. First we need to set all of the things to 0. Okay, all of these materials to 0, and also the filling. Okay, all of the things back to 0, and also second filling also set to 0 first. Currently we need to set the low liquid levels at this 29% in hopper. Okay, then we get one container. Okay, okay, set to 0, then hold 3 seconds. Okay, hold 2 seconds. It will do the filling and test. So 258. So we'll set this one to 258. 258. Okay. Okay, 258. So that's how we set the low liquid. And for the high liquid level, we need to fill up. Put more your materials in the hopper. Then we set the high liquid level. If you want to automatically fill up the materials in, you put your suction pipe, okay, to your bucket and turn on the raw materials fill up. Okay, so it will automatically fill up. Okay, so how to, I'll just turn off now. So so you can set how many levels it will stop. Okay, this one at 90% of the hopper, it will stop automatically fill up. And if the hopper level is less than 60%, it will start. Okay, that's how we set the auto feeding. Okay, now I turn on again. Okay, so if turn on, it will automatically feed the hopper. Okay. Okay, from there. Okay. So up to 90% of the hopper, it will stop. Okay, so we'll just wait for a while, then we set the high liquid level. Okay, currently is 90% already, so just wait for a while until 90%. Okay, Okay, after the automatically feeder stopped, it reached to 93%. Then we're going to set for the high liquid level. Okay, it's the same way. We get this one. Okay, 371. Okay, 371. Maybe there's some water on this. Some water. Okay. Now 371. We put 371. 371. Okay, 371. Okay. Then we test the filling. We set to 100. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's test again. Okay. It's 98. Okay, 79. So we could increase to. This is negative. Okay, then press 1 again. So plus 2. Okay, it will correct 2 ml. Okay, just put the water back. Okay, test again. So now it's good. Okay, it's 100 already. So after you set the filling volume, you could use this one, increase or minus to adjust the filling volume. Okay. So how to adjust the machine for the bottle? Okay. First we can check the conveyor delay, which means once the sensor sends the bottle, it will wait for how long time to move, the conveyor will move. Okay, so currently it's only 0.2. This is for production. During testing, we turn it to, let's say, 1 second. Okay, so you will see during testing how the machine working. Okay, make sure the filling is turned off. Okay, so this is turn on the filling, this is turn off. Make sure filling is off during testing. And for the filling head, we rotate it down. Okay, rotate down, get closer. Okay, get closer, so it should be higher than the bottle. Okay, rotate down, should be higher than the bottle. We still could move lower. Okay, to be higher than the bottle. Okay, to be higher than the bottle. And for the sensor, should be aimed to the second bottle. Okay, the first bottle, you put the filling head in the middle of the bottle. The second one put beside of the first bottle, and the sensor aim to the second bottle. For some bottles, it's with label. Okay, for some bottles it's with label. So better not let the sensor sense on the label. it should be at there. Should be at there. The all round no other matters. But since this is white label, it will be no effect with the sensor. But better if we have some different, bottles, it's better since to the bottleneck, okay? Because the bottleneck all around are the same, okay? All around of the bottle are the same, so better since to the bottleneck. But if the label is no effect to the sensor, it will be fine, okay? So that's how to adjust the sensor and the position of the first bottle, okay? And also the conveyor guide to release this one, okay? You make sure your bottle is able to move on the conveyor smoothly, okay? Okay, after adjust the bottle guide and the position of the filling head, and also set the conveyor delay to 1 second. We're going to test. Just press start. Okay. You can see it will just wait 1 second, then it move. Okay. So let's check if it's in the middle or not. Okay. So we check if the filling nozzle is in the middle of the bottle or not. Okay. If not, we need to adjust. We need to adjust the conveyor speed. Okay. For the bigger bottle, there are two speeds to adjust machine. One is the conveyor moving speed, and another one is sensor offset speed, sensor offset distance speed. For conveyor speed, if the bottle diameter is bigger, we set the bigger value for conveyor speed. If your bottle diameter is smaller, the conveyor speed could be slower. Okay, because for big bottle, conveyor should be move fast to move from first bottle to second bottle. So the conveyor speed should be faster for big diameter bottle. Okay, for small, the speed could be slower. Okay. Okay, let's set the bigger one. Let's see what will happen. Currently it's 180. Okay, let's make to 300. 300. Okay, and then let's check what will happen. Okay, I press start. You see, it will move too fast. Okay. Then I'll just move back to 181. Okay. Then you check. Okay. So now it's in the middle of the bottle. Okay. So now it's in the middle of the bottle. Another one. This one is offset. Let's say if the filling head is not in the middle of the bottle, we adjust this one. Let's say increase this one. What will happen? Okay, current is 12. Make it 20. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, so you can see the filling head is not in the middle of the bottle. It's in the left side. Okay. So I adjust to the 12. Okay, to decrease. If decrease, it will be in the middle. Okay. Okay, so you can see after decrease to 12, it will be moved to in the middle of the bottle. Okay. So that's how That's what's the effect of the sensor offset distance. Okay, so that's how we set those two speeds to make sure the filling head is in the middle. It's in the middle of the bottle. Okay. Okay, for different materials, we can set for different motor running speed. For water is 100 to 200. Okay, for lotion is around 300, is 100 or 300, and for cream it's about 400 to 500. Okay, so just change this one. Currently we use water, so we adjust between 100 to 200. Okay, so we can set this one for different materials. Okay, for if let's say if it's lotion, it's around 300. Okay, you could adjust one. Or for cream, it's around 400 to 500. Let's say 450. Okay, for water testing, we set to 100 to 200. Let's make it 130. If there's no splash out, we can increase that one. Okay, if there's if the water was splash out from the bottle, we need to reduce the speed. Okay. Some sticky materials, some of clients want to use the lifting function. We can turn on this one. Okay, turn on this one. So the filling nozzle will move up and move down. So this function. And let's turn on the filling and do the testing. Okay, just press start. Okay. So this is the lifting function. Okay.